If we just use the system as it typically operates, what happens is those people go away. They may even hire expert system engineers to look at this and spend 2 years coming up with a description of a washing machine. And then what we do is we send that out and we say, okay, time and materials, we need this machine built. And then we get back quotes to spend $20 million to build the washing machine when all you needed to do was see what's already in the market and you could buy it on Amazon for $500.